now I'm right back at the start. Take it easy.
Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. Wow, the traffic coming through Lincoln City was ridiculous. We came to a casino here on the other side of Lincoln City. It is Chinook Casino. They're starting a new thing now where you have to have points to stay at casinos. The last casino that we were at was 50 points to stay there, but the first night was free. Talking about that, I met an interesting guy there. Here's a clip of that. Hi, what's your name?
Larry.
Larry Aja, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What is that you're making?
I'm making a magic wand.
Okay.
And when I'm on the road, as I'm doing it again, I can make you a wand of us because I'm General Chaos.
Oh, okay.
Of the Chaos Cafe. And this device I invented some almost 30 years ago.
Right.
And
so you said you had been traveling for 25 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and something's about this size or a little smaller.
Okay. What are you in now?
The iTusk.
Oh, okay.
I sold my house and I bought this huge thing. I'm not sure I can cope with it yet, but
well, it's about
really comfortable.
Yeah, it's about getting adjusted to.
Yeah, well, it's the nicest apartment I've ever been in.
Right.
And it's the nicest vehicle I've ever.
I'm sure.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. But I don't know that it's going to fit me in time. I may sell it and get something more this size.
Smaller.
It's nice because you can put it in a single parking place.
Yeah, I like
anywhere.
22 feet. Yeah.
Yeah. And the design of the Itasca is plush for my parents maybe. And but there's so much wasted space. The third to half of the vehicle I don't really have any use for.
Right. Even this, the 22 foot, I find at times like I don't use all the space.
It's nice to have a little storage.
Yes, that's true.
And it keeps me from hoarding.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't like clutter, so
I find myself getting
more,
things.
I have to get rid of something.
Exactly.
It's pretty nice. Okay. So, if you would be wand of us, related to all the other wanderers,
right?
I come out here a little.
Sure.
I would that you close your eyes.
Okay, close my eyes. Oh, that makes a beautiful sound.
Thank you.
That's
now
awesome.
You're wand of us, related to all other wanderers.
Right.
It is a cult. There is no way out. It's also a musical instrument.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. And so you can wand others. You tell them they're going to become wand of us, related to all other wand of us.
Okay.
And they have to close their eyes or they don't act in trust.
Right. Beautiful.
3 times around the head, and they become wand of us. So there might be millions.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
now you'll meet them.
That's beautiful.
And you have a great day.
You too. It's very nice meeting you.
Oh, we'll see each other again.
I'm sure. Gotta close your eyes. Wait, hang it.
And you have to trust her.
I don't see trust in your face, sir. You like smack. Hold on. He was really nice and I enjoyed talking to him. But back to the casino, this one only requires 20 points. So let's go look at the rules. Here's the bulletin board that has the rules for Chinook Winds Casino Resort. So here it talks a little bit about the points. Once you have accumulated 20 points or a half an hour of table gameplay, swipe your card at the promotional kiosk to redeem your overnight parking voucher. So you have to have an overnight vouching parker. If you are a member and an MVP, then you can redeem up to 7 overnight parking vouchers. If you're Premier and Elite guest, you can redeem up to 14 overnight parking vouchers. And this is only in a single month upon meeting the play requirements. Here are some of the basic rules if you want to pause and read those. And here are some restrictions that you can read.
it easy.
We stopped here to stay for a little bit because the views are absolutely breathtaking. Just amazing. Does it go down? I don't think it does.
I don't see a way.
I don't either. Well, we were trying to go down here, but unless we want to go rolling down this, that might be a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Alright, well, this was a failed attempt. Back up we go. Go, Moo-moo, go! Maybe there's something down the road. It's beautiful, though. Look at that view. Awesome. Danger, Will Robinson. Oh my god, it's hard. It's hard to get up here. Oh. Lord, it's the sand wants to slide. I'm almost there. My hair, oh my god, my hair's huge. Good girl. Try number 2. Let's see if there's a different way down. I don't think there's gonna be because there's sheer cliffs. And unless, I guess we plan on jumping off a cliff. Oh, look it. It's a fireplace, Moo-moo. A little campfire area. Oh, there is a path right there. Yeah, that would be a no. Oh, I see Jimmy's over there, though. Let's go see if he's found... I don't know, he stopped. I don't know if he's found anything. It is quite windy up here. Feels nice, though. Go, Moo-moo. So, we're walking along this sandy part. This is not too bad right here. Although, I wouldn't want to go rolling down that with all the rocks. Did you find anything? No? Oh. He said he potentially found something, but I think that looks more like a wash where water runs down. Because see, this is what it looks like from the side. Is a lot of green and then a cliff that just drops straight down. But you know, I see people down there. There must be entrances further down the road. This must not be one of them. There are whales out there that Terry and Scott have seen. I haven't seen any yet. But I know the last time I was at that lighthouse right there, there's a lighthouse in the distance, there were whales all around that. That looks more like a wash or something where water goes. Does it go all the way down?
Yeah.
That's really steep.
Well.
Oh yeah, it gets really steep. Oh, that sounds fun. Let's go slide and then end in the rocks. Bloop, plop, smash. Oopsie. Why is my leg way up here? I don't understand. Mr. Officer was nice enough to come by and let us know that you cannot overnight here, but we saw the signs. So I thanked him, and then he just said we can stay here till 10 p.m. And he did tell Terry and Scott another spot that we could go to, which was really nice of him. So that's probably where we're going to go tonight. But we're going to drive up the road and see if we can find somewhere to get down onto the beach. There's a sign, no overnight parking. Parking prohibited between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Wow, that's weird. He said we couldn't be here past 10. So we're here at Moolock Beach, and I think we found a path down. Looks like it anyways. Kind of a overgrown path, but you know what? As long as it gets you down safely. Oh yeah, I see someone over there walking. It's really, really, really overgrown. I feel claustrophobic. You can always go sliding down that way, or there's a path over here. This seems much easier. Okay, we made it down to the beach. Awesome. And there's a lighthouse in the distance. You want to walk that way? Moo-moo, come on. The things that wash up, they look like aliens. Aliens, Moo-moo, it's aliens. Look at that. It looks like an alien tentacle. Bull whip. Come on. Go, Moo-moo, go. She's like, no, I will find a way around. Come on, Moo-moo, go. Jump. You gotta... Come on. She found the easy way around. There goes Crazy. Run! Crazy. Wow, that's a big one right there. These are so weird. It feels just like rubber. Exactly. Get it when we get it. Get it. You got it. It's dead, Moo-moo. It's dead. Good girl. Seagull tracks and doggy foot. Oh, that's Moo-moo. Wow, look at all the sand fleas. Get it, Moo-moo. Are you getting the sand fleas? Sand fleas are gonna get you. They're gonna get you. I really like these things. Look at all of them. They're just all over the place.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing's enough. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it.
Would you like a crab leg for dinner? Ew. There's probably some bugs in there.
Oh,
Ew.
one bounced off my face. Oh, yuck.
Gross. Throw it away! Moo-moo. Leave the seagulls alone. They weren't bothering you. There's the awesome lighthouse off the beautiful coast of Oregon. Go ahead, climb up. Well, we're running out of coastline and the tide is coming in, so I believe it's time to turn back.